Welcome to Manthan again, and today I am going to give you an idea about how to go through the registration process of joining our course at Manthan. So first of all, you will be required to go to our contact page, and there you will find the registration form which you will be filling up, and you will be able to send it to us online. So I am going to show you the registration form. It is requiring to write your full name, Miss, Mrs, Mr, and write your first name, surname. If you like, you can add your middle name. Then what is your occupation? Currently, what are you doing? Whether you are teaching or working in the office, or you are a simple housewife, whatever it is, you will have to just mention that. Then your permanent residential address, wherever you are residing, and we can get in touch with you even through postal service. So, or even we have to sometimes send courier, then in that case we need a proper address. Now your date of birth and your age, then nationality, then your mobile number, and if you have a landline number you can also add that, and the name of the course selected. We have given you the options there. So CDC, these are the acronyms. The CDC is for Counseling's Diploma course. It's a PG diploma, as we have already mentioned. ECCE is Early Childhood Care Education, which is preparing you to become a pre-primary school teacher. It can also be called nursery school teacher, or it can be Montessori school teacher, or it can be even just simple school teacher who is associated with teaching playgroup, nursery, junior and senior KG. Then we have LD, that is Remedial Teachers Training Course, and that will be, again you will have to mention LD R TTC, LD Remedial Teachers Training Course. Then ECC is a Early Childhood Counseling course. So if you are opting for childhood counseling, then you will have to opt for this ECC. And as you know, perhaps that there are two different parts to this. One is play therapy for small children, and other one is art therapy for little older children from 8 to 13 years of age. Play therapy is for up to 8 years of age. Then there is KG Teachers Training course, which is also similar to ECCE, but it is at a slightly lower level. So even people who are not say studied up to 12th standard, who are not having the secondary school certificate, can opt for this also. Even those students who are not very well versed with English language and who have studied in their vernacular language may opt for this course. Then we have our seminar series, and you will have to go through the separate website specially devoted to counseling certificate course, which includes all the seminar series that we are offering, which are wonderful study of different areas of psychology as it affects our life, day-to-day life, and our work and our personality. So these are the different kinds of courses that you have to choose from. And then we need your email ID. Be very careful sending a proper email ID, because we need to send you the notes through email. So all the communication is through email, and that's where we need your email ID very clearly mentioned. Then we have requirement for your WhatsApp number, because WhatsApp we want to communicate ordinarily. Suppose even if you have to tell us something about not receiving the lessons, or some personal problem you may have, you want to get it clarified. So in that case we need the WhatsApp number. Sometimes we also give you an indication about when to be prepared for the GeoMeet conversations and classes. So for that, WhatsApp is the method we follow. Then your academic qualification. So this being a PG diploma of counseling, you have to mention in which area you have completed your graduation and from which university you have done it. So this will be also required as a very basic record for our office to follow up your further education. Then of course the date will be there and your signature you may sign, or you may just write your full name there and send. Now we also offer you the different modes of payment that you can take up, and we have 3-4 modes of payment. You can even, if you have somebody in Bombay, as we are also very much present here in Commerce Center building, C5 Commerce Center at Tardeo, and Mumbai 34 is our address, which is also mentioned on our contact page. You can send somebody with the money personally, and we will give you the receipt accordingly. Or you can do the RTGS through your bank. You will get the bank details also on our contact page, as well as we will send you the details for the Google Pay. So any mode of payment, or check, you can courier us the check, and these are the account numbers that are given for the check payment. And then the all the other account type, like we have got a correct account number. Please write correct account number. For IFSC code is, this is for the check that we are sending you, and don't forget to follow up with the mobile number. Even RTGS is done at the same IFSC code with the Maharashtra Bank. This is the code, and this is our mobile number, and this is our account number in which your money will be transferred. So these are the details that we have supplied, and you can choose any mode of payment. It can be cash, it can be through check, it can be through RTGS or NSFT, or it can be also through Google Pay. You may get in touch with us through email, or you can even get in touch with us through WhatsApp, and we will be sending you the further details if you require it. So this is how you can do the payment selection, and finally you can submit this form. Any further inquiry, any further assistance you may require, you will have to just send a WhatsApp, and our office will be very much prepared to send you whatever details you want immediately. I am now going to give you the details about the payment of the fees and the facilities that we are providing to pay by installment. As I have already mentioned, the total fees for the main course is 35,000, plus there is 500 rupees registration fees. And in the end, you will be paying 500 rupees for your certificate examination charges, which will be again conducted online, and also for the certificates that will be prepared, and beautiful certificates will be laminated and sent to you. So this will be in 3 installments. The first installment will be 15,000 with 500 rupees admission. When you send your first installment of money, along with that we expect your registration form also to reach us with all the details properly mentioned. Then after a month you will be required to pay the second installment, and that would be about 12,000 rupees. Then the third installment will be paid within the next 16 days, that is about 2 months, and that will be rupees 8,000. With this 8,000, we may ask you to also pay the examination and the certificate and diploma charges, because you get two certificates. One is the main certificate, that is your PG diploma in counseling, while the other certificate will be for the specialization subject. We have already mentioned the specialization subjects, and that will be the third module that you will be asked to select at the end of the second module. Now for this specialization subject, you will be paying separately. It is an additional fee which is besides this 35,000. The range of this fees for specialization is minimum 8,000 to maximum 12,500, depending on what specialization subject you are selecting. We have already mentioned the list of the specialization which is given to you, along with the fees and also the synopsis about the course which you will be required to do, and we will be sending you the relevant notes and the instructions. Then it will be followed up by doing two cases which you will be doing as a part of your project, and these two cases, how to conduct, how to go about it, how to do the recording on your paper, of all the details that you work out with your client. And this is a very important part of the full course, because here you are actually going to work independently as a counselor. Now you know that the first semester, that is the first module, includes your personal counseling sessions. So we will be conducting these sessions through chat or through Zoom, and that will be one-to-one. We are giving you about 8 such sessions to give you also the first-hand experience of how the counseling process takes place, how it helps the student to understand how the changes in the counseling takes place, and how it is bringing about the self-awareness. With this, you will have the second semester practical training of counseling, which we call control counseling, where we will be sending you also the videos of counseling sessions taking place and how the theories are applied, and that will be also a very practical demonstration as well as experience for you to know how the counseling has to be conducted. Then in the third module, we expect you to do these two cases based on the specialization subject that you are choosing. So the fees are 35,000 plus 500 admission, plus 500 will be your examination and the certificate charges, plus you will be paying whatever specialization subject you take up. For that, the extra fees at the end of the second module. And this module is mandatory, and specialization of one subject is mandatory, but you may opt for more subjects, like you can take up students counseling, along with that you can take up any other, like family relationship or personal counseling with some corporate counseling. So that is up to you. We are giving you enough choice, and we are keeping this separate fees because we want you to pay according to the subject that you are selected. The subject synopsis are also given along with the list of specialization subjects. So I hope that all this is clear, and you are now prepared to fill up your registration form and send it immediately, and you start with your course within 10 days from now, or maximum it may take 2 weeks if you are outstation. So welcome to Manthan, and I am looking forward to starting with you as my student. Bye for now.